Hello everyone, I am Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Libra. Okay, so let's see, Libra, what angels have in store for you for the month of October. So yes, for some of you it is your birth month, so happy birthday, Libra. Yes, now we will look into the messages from the angels answer, the life purpose and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So Libra, from the tarot deck we have for you the Chariot. Okay, then we have the Page of Swords, then we have the Eight of Pentacles, then we have the Ten of Wands. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, then we have the Empress. Okay, and we have the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so Libra, I feel that the month of October, it is going to be about positive new beginnings. Yes, so yes, I feel that some of you could be like really confused about two things in your life. Yes, you could be juggling between two options as well. It could be at your work, in your career, or it could also be about your relationship as well. Maybe two people could be expressing you their love, their feelings. So yes, you might be considering options as well. But yes, as you move further in the month of October, yes, I feel that you would be able to decide which is the path that you want to take. Yes, I feel that you are going to have a lot of ideas in the month of October. Yes, your creativity is going to grow a lot. Yes, a lot of creative ideas. And also I feel that some of you yes, you are working really hard and you are putting that extra effort, could be on a skill that you possess, or also something that that brings you satisfaction and joy from within. Yes, and also it could be something related to some online, and also for some of you it could be about import and export as well. But you are working really hard, and yes, as you move further in the month of October, yes, your hard work is going to pay off and you are going to reap rewards. Financially also you are going to reap rewards, and also you are going to get recognition for your work. Yes, your hard work. uh, and also I feel that for some of you who have been applied for that job, who have been waiting for that news to come in, yes, you are going to get that job offer you wanted. Uh, but yes, you know, there could be a lot of responsibilities at your work. Yes, and also some of you might need to travel as well for your work. Yes, and also for those of you who are in a relationship, who are married, yes, you could be pregnant as well. And also uh, I feel that some of you could be students as well, and you could be waiting for your exams results. So yes, you are going to come out with flying colors. Yes, you are going to be successful. Yes, and also some of you could you could be also learning something new as well in the month of October. Yes, a very a very good time is ahead for you, Libra, in the month of October. Yes, and also yes, for those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, your relationship with a partner is going to really improve a lot. Yes, and also I feel that some of you, yes, you may travel with your partner as well. Yes, and also yes, for those of you who are single, yes, someone new is coming into your life, and I feel that two people are coming into your life. Yes, and they could be expressing their love towards you. And yes, I see that you people are really confused, like you know whom to like how to decide and whom to choose. Like yes, I see that. But yes, a very uh, positive time is ahead for you. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So we have for you, Libra, very soon. Okay, then we have romantic feelings. Okay, and express your love. Okay, then we have heart to heart conversation. Okay, we have attraction, and we have getting to know each other. Okay, a very romantic time is ahead for you as well. Wow. So yes, Libra, angels, they are asking you, they are guiding you that you need to decide what is that you want in your love life, so that it comes to you. And yes, it is going to come very soon in your life, that new person. Or if for those of you who are already in a relationship, if you are looking for that romance, and if you are looking for that uh, improvement in your relationship, then yes, you need to be very clear about it, what is that you have been looking for. Yes, so that it comes to you. Yes, and be keep an open mind to receive the blessings of the angels. Yes, because that person is going to come very soon. That romance, if you have been seeking a romance into your life, then yes, that is also going to come very soon. And also yes, your feelings are real and worth exploring. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that you are going to have those romantic feelings for that new person. So yes, angels, they want you to know that if you are really confused about whether to pursue them or not, then yes, angels, they are guiding you that your feelings are real, and also they are asking you that you need to go ahead and express your love to them. And also it could be like they come towards you, to express their love to you, and both of you are going to have heart to heart conversations as well. For those of you who are already in a relationship, who are married as well, yes, your relationship is going to be really improved, your relationship is going to bloom, and you people are going to have, that honest conversation. You are going to discuss your feelings with each other, what is that you desire and look for, in a partner, in this relationship. Yes. And also, yes, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that, as you start, valuing yourself, as you start taking care of yourself, as you have that self love within you, you know and as you start enjoying, you know every moment, and as you have that positive thinking, then yes, you attract, that love and that romance into your life. Yes, if some of you are looking for that spark and, reignite that passion in your relationship, then yes, you need to, have that self love, be loving towards you, yes, your own self, and you are going to attract that romantic love. And also, angels, they are asking you that you need to reveal your deepest desires, your wishes to your partner. And also, if that is someone new coming into your life, then yes, you both need to, know each other very well, express your love, and express your thoughts and feelings to them as well, so that it helps your connection, your bond to, uh, you know grow as deep as it can be. Yes. And yes, love life, yes, looks really great in the month of October. A very romantic period is ahead for you, very beautiful energy, Libra. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle. uh, so we have for you, talk to your angels. Okay, instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Okay, then we have heart desires. Okay, we have freedom. Okay, we have travel as well. Okay, and we have writing. Okay, so yes, Libra, angels, they are asking you that, if you have confused about your, your career, your work, which path you should take on, then yes, instead of worrying, they are asking you that you need to ask them, and, you need to ask for their guidance, and you need to hear your inner voice. Yes. And you need to look for signs as well. Yes. And ask them anything that is causing you worry, and look for their guidance as well. Yes, that is what angels, they are guiding you. Talk to them and have faith in angels as well. And also, angels, they want you to know that yes, any path, that you choose to take, they are supporting you, they are guiding you, and they are protecting you as you move forward to make your dreams become a reality. Yes. And then we have freedom card. So yes, angels, they are asking you that you are free to choose any path that brings you satisfaction and joy from within. And yes, I also feel that, anything that you choose to work with, that is going to bring you a lot of sense of freedom. Yes. And also, the work that you do, yes, it might involve yes, a lot of travel as well, or some of you could be already working in some field that involves a lot of traveling. Yes, and also we have the writing cards. So angels, they are guiding you that you need to, learn to write more. Yes, because you have that, healing power within you, because as you write, yes, um, your words, you know it helps other people to, heal, and also it helps other people to get inspired and learn a lot from you. So yes, some of you, as I told you earlier, you could be starting something online. You are getting some lot of creative ideas in the month of October. So yes, it could be about some blog, yes, some online blogs about writing something, and helping other people to learn something, and to help them heal with your words as well. Yes, it is also possible. So know what is that your heart desires, and yes, ask to the angels about what is that you want, so that it comes to you. Yes, now let's see what guidance do we have for you, Libra, for the month of October. So we have for you big happy changes. Wow. And we have for you, it's up to you. Okay. So yes, uh, you know, angels, they are, uh, yes, they want you to know that yes, there are positive changes ahead for you. There are, new career path, new relationship, and also, if you are already in a relationship, if you are married, then yes, your relationship is improving a lot. Yes, and also for some of you, you could be moving to a new home as well. Yes, and also for some of you, you could be moving to a new city as well. Yes, so yes, a very happy times are ahead for you. Positive changes, happy changes are ahead for you in the month of October. And yes, it's up to you. So angels, they are, asking you that yes, it is up to you, how you attract, those things in your life. Yes, so angels, they are asking you that you need to stand in your power. You need to have that confidence. Yes, and you need to be focused and stay very dedicated in your work. Yes, to bring about those changes in your life. Yes, a very positive time is ahead for you. And if there is anything that is, uh, causing you worry, so yes, ask for the angels, pray to them. Yes, and know that anything that is going to unfold for you, yes, it is for your own highest good. A very beautiful energy, Libra. Yes, a very, very beautiful time is ahead for you. Yes, so that was all for you, Libra. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comments section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Libra. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a great month ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.